on here looking for a dump truck, which obviously I didn't plan properly for. I thought I knew where it was at, but apparently I don't. Come on, load. Come on, go. I guess it was the other way. Apparently this thing's lost as it is. So I hate friggin' Google's or Apple Map. Don't know where it's at half the friggin' time. Trying to figure it out. Alright. Well, I was hoping it was right here, but apparently I was wrong. I'm gonna go this way. I just took a quick look at it, but when I looked at it, it showed it. I thought it was right here. Whatever this was right here, but apparently I'm wrong. I looked at it wrong or something. But it's supposed to be just derated. We're going to pick it up, take it back to Fleet Relief. It's loaded, I think she said 6-axle dump truck, so we're going to deal with, you know, our normal. Try to fit our fat butt underneath. Come on, dude. I thought it was in this Karen's Kid campus or whatever, or behind it or something. I know it's a Mack. That's the only thing I know. Mack dump truck loaded. I guess it's over here. Make it quick, baby. What's up, baby? Alright, well, let me go because I go ahead and fix bullets on my garbage or my, what do you call it, dump truck. Alright. Alright, I love you. Bye. I see it over there now. Try to put it in a good spot. That's not a 6-axle. Man, people do not know how to count. That's 2, 4, 5. Oh, I guess it is 6-axle. Yeah, it is 6-axle. close as I can because this thing's going to be heavy lifting. I think it's probably weighing, say, 80,000 pounds. Guarantee it. Close as I can so I don't have to pick it up, stretch out so far to pick it up. All right. She's empty. Let's see, we got something good to grab a hold of. I wish I brought 24 because 24 has a higher underreach to pick it up. Let's see. Yeah, I can just grab her right there. Put my high risers on. Grab right there. What do y'all think? Where she runs enough that I can turn her around. Deal with pulling a drag line. To run air to it to keep the drop axles up, but that's all right. I'm gonna do it now. now. I know I have to run air to the Oh Lord, that is so annoying. Once I add air to it, I'll be able to try to scare them off. Yeah, that'll make my life a lot easier. Headlights. I wish these weren't here. This wasn't here. Because then I can just slide back, but that's fine. We're going to pick it up right here. Hopefully I can give me enough height on that. We'll pick it up right here. Lift it up. Don't look like it's rusted out or anything. I mean, I can actually pick it up from right here, but I really want to go right here. Then I'll wrap around that. That'll probably be better. I still have... PGT Trucking. Probably stays up there. It's a good thing to have. I mean, realistically, I don't. How low is that on range? Oh, it's kind of low now. So low on that. I'm not lost, I swear. I could have left it up. But we'll put air to that. That'll keep the drop axles up. And then we're gonna hook it up first, get it all hooked up. Then we're going to try to run air to it. Turn that off. You want to keep drop axles up. You don't want them going down. And they told me it was loaded. So that works out even better. The worst part about this is I got to use my high risers and stuff, which I hate doing, but get as straight as we can. I'm pretty close there. I don't have the underreach height that the newer trucks have because I still have the older style underreach for the rotator, so it keeps it kind of low. And it's not going to be bad tow, it's just the high rises are in there, which sucks, but we'll make it work. Oh, damn, I did get back too close. That's a no-no for anybody that does that. I shouldn't have done that. really need to clean my truck. So I kind of did a couple of little wrecks and stuff. Everything always gets thrown, never gets thrown back like it's supposed to be. I'll try that first. See how that works. One chains will be shorter. Shorted up. See if those one chains are shorted up. Keep the chain from sliding, so we'll just fork it. Screw it. That's because I'm not sitting down on it. I see what I did. Y'all see what I did? I slid a little too far. I really want to be up there closer, but I really wish I was here, but oh, I did that. I was the wrong way. So I'm going to use the straps everybody seems to hate. kind of wish I had the hooks here, because I could have hooked in there and come up, wrapped around and hooked and then lifted, and it would have been beautiful, but they don't. I got it up off the ground. Yeah. Oh, I gotta do air. Thanks for reminding me. I'm more holes than the tank right there. Water bigger down. Work. Where you go off of? Alright, this is the main tank. There it comes off of that. So now it goes into the right there. Alright. So I get that piece off there. Not, I'll get my pliers and we'll pull it off. There we go. Oh, you're small. I'll have one to fit that. Hopefully. Where? Actually, you. I'm lost today. Sunday. I was actually getting ready to leave the house, go with the wife and get something to notch on, but then they called me for this. Oh, there's that piece I keep looking for. It's right there. Man, I'm an idiot. So I'll have to find the way to hold this up, and you should fit in there and air everything up. You here, right? Yes. Backside. Grab the other one. It should have been an easy hook and go, but it's not. Should keep everything up. That's not a break. I had to buy some more punchy straps. I'm breaking a lot of them lately. Make everything go up. Alright, let's get a light bar. We're going down the interstate, we're gonna put an extra on the steering wheel. Now, if I can do that, turn the key on, see the air tanks are airing up. We're doing that. Oh, yeah, looks like it. Oh yeah, the seat actually came up. Alright, everything's airing up. Perfect. Now I'm putting a double on here in case we have a blowout or something on the front. Because sometimes they blow out going 70 miles an hour. It's not going to be good. I'm going to tell you, I suggest if you're doing towing to you go up, over, then down. Oh, I hate all these covers on these new things. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's on the side. Okay. Of course, it's going to come on out. This is just an extra hold for it in case something happens. Alright. Oh! Alright, one more strap, people, and then we'll be done. Got a lot of movement. All right, we are set, ready to roll. you see, the hook in the rear, got it picked up. Got a light bar, steering wheel's tied. Light bar is on. All right. Thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for subscribing. And we'll see y'all on the next one.